Hi, this is Herco Hacking from AnteBV from the Netherlands. I'd like to explain you something about a packing machine, a bottle filling machine. This is our bottle filling machine. You can connect it to a pasteurizer. So that means the milk from the cooling tank comes in the pasteurizer. The pasteurizer is 3 double walled, complete stainless steel, inside wall from stainless steel, a double wall with some heating elements in the back who come into the double wall, and an insulated outside wall. The water in the double wall will heat up the milk or the juice, whatever, in this tank till the temperature you want, 80 degrees or 85 degrees or 70 degrees, what you want. From here, you add the cultures, then you connect it with a hose to a pump to the bottle filling machine. This bottle filling machine can fill every bottle from 250 ml till 2 liters because this fat can go down and go up. The only thing what is important is the opening from the bottle. It has to be 3 centimeters, 300 millimeters. That's important. 30 millimeters, 3 centimeters. That's important. And then you open it and you fill the bottles. Manual, complete manual. And it can do around 500 to 800 bottles per hour. Thank you.